funny birthday song. We have 2 birthday people in the house. You want to take it easy?
Yes.
Okay, you can sing along, but some of the words are going to be a little different. And if I mess up, just go with it, because I will. I'm not a pro.
We love you.
Riding downtown, trying to say my lord. I got birthday girls on my mind. One that's Katie Turner, one that's Megan Schwab. They're both really kind. Take it easy. Take it easy. Down at the birthday celebration. Drive me crazy. Lighten up. Be Now this is usually Winslow, Arizona right here. But we're in Tally, so it's gonna go like this. Well, I'm standing on the corner of Tallahassee, Florida. Such a fine sight to see, but not if you're from Atlanta. She's a girl, my lord, and laughing at doors of the town to take a drink with me. Come on, Kate. Come on, man. I gotta go. Your birthday is gonna make me. We may lose, we may win. No, we will never be here again. Los amigos! So take a drink and let's say cheers. Don't be sleeping. Do not put this on YouTube.